Hello friends, welcome to infyGyan. Today in this video we'll be solving one very interesting system of equations for the real values of x and y. So let's get started by writing here equation numbers first, 1 and 2. We have square root x, we have square root y. So x and y must be non-negative. Now we will use our substitution. Let us say square root xy equal to a. After squaring, we can write xy will be equal to a square. Now we will rewrite our first equation. So square root x plus square root y equal to 4. We'll be squaring both sides. We'll use a plus b whole square identity and get x plus y plus 2 times square root xy equal to 16. Now square root xy is a, so we can write from here x plus y will be equal to 16 minus 2a. This result we will use little later. Now I will call this is our third equation. Now we have equation number 2, square root x plus 2 plus square root y plus 2 equal to 5. Again we have to do squaring both sides. So we will put here part 2, put here part 2. We'll be using a plus b whole square identity once again and get x plus 2 plus y plus 2 plus 2 times square root of x plus 2 times y plus 2 equal to 5 square, which is 25. Now we have x plus y plus 4 plus 2 times square root x plus 2 times y plus 2, and in RHS we have 25. Now we are going to subtract 4 from both the sides. So I will write minus 4, minus 4. So our equation will become x plus y plus and minus 4 will get over plus 2 times square root of x plus 2 times y plus 2 equal to 25 minus 4, 21. We will call this is our equation number 4. We have equation number 3 over here and we have equation number 4 over here. Now we are going to subtract third equation from fourth one. So we will write 4 minus 3. Let me write both the equations. Here it is. Let's subtract. We will change the sign over here. In RHS 21 minus 16 is 5. Here we will cancel plus and minus x plus and minus y. So we will get 2 times the square root of x plus 2 times y plus 2 minus 2 times the square root of xy. Now we will take 2 common from LHS. So 2 in the bracket, we will write a square root of x plus 2 times y plus 2 minus the square root of xy equal to 5. Now we will divide both sides by 2. So let me write here divided by 2, divided by 2. 2 over 2 will be 1. So I can write a square root of x plus 2 times y plus 2 minus the square root of xy equal to 5 over 2. Now square root xy is our substitution a. Here we can write a. And here we will multiply these two brackets first. So square root of xy plus 2 times x plus y plus 4 minus a equal to 5 over 2. We'll add a to both sides. So we can write 5 over 2 plus a in RHS. Plus and minus a will get over. Here we can write this is a square and x plus y, it is 16 minus 2a. So we will write a square root of a square plus 2 times 16 minus 2a plus 4 equal to a plus 5 over 2 or 5 over 2 plus a. Now we have to simplify our radicand. So we will write a square root of a square, 2 times minus 2a minus 4a. 2 times 16 is 32 plus 4 is 36. In RHS we have a plus 5 over 2. Now we are going to square both sides as we have a square root in LHS. So we will put part 2. A square root and a square will get cancelled out and we will write equation a square minus 4a plus 36 in the LHS, and in RHS we will use a plus b whole square identity and get a square plus 5a plus 25 over 4. Now we will subtract a square from both the sides so that a square will get cancelled out from LHS and RHS. Equation will become minus 4a plus 36 equal to 5a plus 25 over 4. Now we will take minus 4a to the RHS, 25 over 4 to the LHS. So we can write 36 minus 25 over 4 equal to 5a plus 4a. 36 times 4 is 144 minus 25 over 4 will be equal to 9a. Now 144 minus 25 will be 119 over 4 equal to 9a. Now we have to divide both sides by 9 to get the value of a. So I will write 119 over 4 equal to 9a. After dividing by 9 both sides, we will get a equal to 119 over 4 times 9 is 36. Now we have a 119 over 36 and a is square root of xy equal to 119 over 36. After squaring both sides, we will get xy equal to 119 square over 36 square. So we have x times y or the product of x and y. Now we will write x plus y in terms of a. 16 minus 2a will be equal to 16 minus 2 times a is 119 over 36. So x plus y will become 16 minus 119 over 18, which will be equal to 16 times 18 is 288 minus 119 over 18. Now we can write x plus y. So x plus y will be equal to 288 minus 119, 169 over 18. Now we have x plus y and we have xy. We can think about one quadratic equation whose roots are x and y. Then here we have sum of roots and here we have product of roots. We will write one quadratic equation. Let me write here x plus y. This is equal to 169 over 18 and x times y. This is equal to 119 whole square over 36 whole square. Let's frame quadratic in variable t. So I will be writing t square whose roots are x and y. Equation will become t square minus sum of roots. Here it is 169 over 18 times t plus product of roots 119 whole square over 36 whole square equal to 0. Now this is one quadratic equation and I will be solving this equation using completing the square method. So I need to write t square minus 169 over 18 times t in LHS, and I will take 119 whole square over 36 whole square in RHS. So I will write minus 119 whole square over 36 square. Now we have coefficient of t minus 169 over 18. Half of this minus 169 over 36. Square of this will be equal to 169 square over 36 square, which we will add in LHS and RHS. Now LHS will give us perfect square of t minus 169 over 36. And in RHS, we will write here our common denominator 36 square. So in the numerator there will be 169 square minus 119 square. Now we will be using a square minus b square formula. So we can write t minus 169 over 36 whole square equal to 169 plus 119, 288. 169 minus 119, 50. In denominator we have 36 square. Can we factor 288? 144 times 2. So we will write 144 times 2. That 2 we will multiply with 50. Now we will write 100 over here over 36 square. Now 144 is square of 12. 100 is square of 10. Denominator is square of 36 already. So we have in right hand side 12 times 10 over 36 whole square. And in LHS we have t minus 169 over 36 whole square. Let us write here t minus 169 over 36 whole square equal to 12 times 10 over 36 whole square. Now we will take square root both sides. So let me demonstrate here square root. Now we will cancel square root with square, but we have to keep plus minus sign over there. So we will write t minus 169 over 36 in LHS plus minus. Here we'll write 12 times 10. So let me write 120 over 36. So in RHS we'll write plus minus 120 over 36. Now we have to only add 169 over 36 both sides. So we'll write 169 over 36 in RHS. In LHS there will be t only, and t is nothing but x, y. T equal to 169 plus minus 120 over 36. Now with plus sign, we'll write 169 plus 120 over 36. With minus sign, we'll write 169 minus 120 over 36. So 169 plus 120 will be 289. Denominator is 36. 169 minus 120 will be 49. Denominator is 36. Here we will write x comma y. So I can write my answer x comma y 289 over 36 comma 49 over 36, or we'll swap x and y. We'll write 49 over 36 comma 289 over 36. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe. Bye bye.